Airbus 388 traffic in sight. Swiss Airlines Charlie Sierra 777 traffic is 9 o'clock 4 miles at 3,700 feet Airbus A20N. Report them in sight.
Swiss Airlines Charlie Sierra 777 traffic in sight.
Airbus 388 traffic is 9 o'clock 4 miles at 2,900 feet Airbus A20N. Report them in sight. Swiss Airlines Charlie Sierra 777, keep speed not above 170 knots. easyJet 518 heavy traffic is 4 o'clock 4 miles at 3,900 feet Boeing. Report them in sight. Airbus 388 have the Airbus A20N in sight.
Keep speed not above 170 knots. Swiss Airlines Charlie Sierra 777.
easyJet 518 heavy climb and maintain 13,000 feet. Keep speed not above 220 knots. Airbus 388 traffic alert. 1 o'clock less than 1 mile 1,000 feet Airbus A20N. Report them in sight. Climb and maintain 13,000 feet. Keep speed not above 220 knots. easyJet 518 heavy. easyJet 518 heavy have the Boeing in sight. easyJet 530 heavy traffic is 2 o'clock 4 miles at 3,100 feet Boeing. Report them in sight.
Descend and maintain 2,100 feet. Swiss Airlines Charlie Sierra 777.
easyJet 530 heavy have the traffic. Swiss Airlines Charlie Sierra 777 traffic is 2 o'clock 4 miles at 1,500 feet Airbus A20N. Report them in sight. Swiss Airlines Charlie Sierra 777, you are 7 miles south of Malpensa. Contact Malpensa Tower on 121.75 when inbound on the approach.
Tower on 121.75. Swiss Airlines Charlie Sierra 777. Malpensa Tower. Swiss Airlines Charlie Sierra 777 6 miles south inbound ILS X-ray runway 35 right approach.
Swiss Airlines Charlie Sierra 777 Malpensa Tower. Altimeter 29er.92 wind 267 at 5. Cleared ILS X-ray runway 35 right approach. Swiss Airlines Charlie Sierra 777 wind 267 at 5. Cleared to land runway 35 right.
Cleared to land runway 35 right. Swiss Airlines Charlie Sierra 777.
1,000.
Swiss Airlines Charlie Sierra 777 contact ground on 121.825.